No, you do it. No, can you do it, please?
You haven't recorded still.
No, I'm trying to dish up, please, princess.
Yeah, guys, we have a roast. We have had one before. I just wanted to do a video on it to show you how big it
Special
is.
roast potatoes.
We have fresh gravy, special potatoes, done in fry light, not fat. Isn't it, Mum?
Yep.
Chicken.
With the skins left on.
Yep, skin. We love the skin. I think that's my plate there. We have corn on the cobs. Yes. What else?
How much do you want? 2?
Yeah, no, a lot.
Will you eat them, though?
Yeah.
Shall I just do 2 for now?
Okay, fine. I can only have 2. Yeah, we have new, what are they called?
Cutlery.
Cluttery. Cluttery. Cluttery.
Ready?
Yeah, that's called what? Oh, and that thing. What is that?
Yorkshire.
Yorkshire.
Oh, special recipe.
Yeah. What, do you homemade that?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. Are you cutting it into triangles? No? Oh, okay. No.
Oh.
Hut, 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 hut. Don't say any bad words.
Sugar is the word.
Really?
How much Yorkshire do you want?
Just a little bit, please.
Right, can you get everyone for
Wait,
dinner?
what plate's mine?
Is that one?
Where is the 2 potatoes? There's only 1.
Oh yeah, you're right. Oh yeah, I've done that all wrong.
Bad.
Gotta eat all that. There is 2. 1, 2.
Oh, I didn't see that. Sorry.
Sorry.
Guys, comment down below if you saw that potato. Because I didn't. Peas, chicken,
Potatoes.
potatoes, Yorkshire.
This is Dad's.
Yeah. And gravy. And for afters.
We
Hello,
have.
Diesel. Hello.
Ready.
Chocolate legato.
Lagato.
Legato.
Right.
And we also have some. Ow, ow! You stepped on my foot. Ow. We also have some. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be the one who's eating that. I have to hide it. What about you go? Yeah, Peppa Pig. You know it.
Right. Can you get everyone ready at the table, please?
Yes. Okay. Ow! I can't carry them all.
Well. Finish video.
Okay. Bye.